This home has curb appeal. Welcoming covered front porch, short distance to shopping and restaurants. Close to JBLM. Loads of cupboard space in this kitchen. It has stainless steel appliances and hickory cabinets. Eating bar for enjoying your meals. View of the front entryway. The den is right off the front door. Nice sized dining room that can fit a large table. The great room has an alcove above the gas fireplace. Gas fireplace for ambience. Sliding glass door to large patio. The garage entry is to the right of the front door. Also the guest bathroom and utility room. Master bedroom to the right of the great room. View of the master bedroom. Has a ceiling fan and large window for view of backyard. Walk-in closet and master bathroom off the master bedroom. Huge walk-in closet for all your clothes and shoes. Nice spacious master bath with separate shower and soaking tub. Soaking tub for relaxing. Guest bathroom downstairs. Office or den. Upstairs bonus room between the two bedrooms. There are so many possibilities. Upstairs bedroom is nicely sized with another walk-in closet. Another view of the bedroom that shows the closet and the entrance to the full bathroom. Bedroom number 2 upstairs with a closet. Upstairs full bathroom with a bathtub. Storage shed in the backyard for your tools. Well manicured yard for your green thumb. Party in the patio. The shrubs and trees are even marked.